Food trucks have become a vibrant and exciting part of the culinary scene, serving up delicious meals on wheels to hungry customers everywhere. But behind the scenes, there's a world of permits, regulations, and legalities that every food truck owner must navigate. Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the ultimate guide to food truck permit regulations. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to start and operate your own successful food truck business. First things first, let's start with the basics. Every food truck business must comply with specific permits and regulations set by local authorities. These regulations ensure food safety, sanitation, and the smooth operation of your food truck. Depending on where you plan to operate your food truck, you'll need to research and understand the specific permit requirements for your city or region. These requirements can vary significantly, so it's essential to do your homework. Now that you understand the importance of permits, let's dive into the different types you may need. The most common permits include business permits, health permits, and parking permits. Business permits ensure you have the necessary licenses to operate your food truck. Health permits focus on food safety and inspections. And parking permits allow you to legally park and serve your customers. Getting these permits might sound overwhelming, but fear not. We've got you covered. Obtaining permits typically involves submitting applications, completing inspections, and paying fees. We'll guide you through each step, providing tips and tricks to make the process easier. One crucial aspect of food truck permits is ensuring the safety and sanitation of your operations. From proper food handling techniques to maintaining clean workspaces, adhering to food safety and sanitation guidelines is paramount to protect your customers and your business. Once you've obtained your permits and launched your food truck, your journey doesn't end there. Staying compliant and growing your business is an ongoing process. We'll share expert advice on how to handle inspections, renew permits, and adapt to changing regulations. Plus, we'll provide strategies to help you expand your food truck business and take it to new heights. So whether you're a budding food truck entrepreneur or an existing owner looking to up your game, our complete guide to food truck permit regulations has you covered.